Yes.
Do we have radiography and piping activity here?
Yeah, it will be there. Now NDT is there. NDT
So
and
I have not
tying
received the.
welding will be there.
Okay. So let us put it piping also.
Hydro testing also after welding. All these
Yeah. Hydro
databases.
testing. I will put it here.
Blasting, painting, I think.
Yeah. This I'll keep. Let me keep it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll change the number. Electrical, let me put electrical the same thing. I mean pulling, earthing, bonding, electrical system testing and cable. This will have same restriction and the same allowed for normal operation as well as hot work. And for emergency situation, this activity is prohibited. For weather, this will be outdoor activity. This will be the same thing. And for night work is prohibited. If in case required, they will take a special permit. And for interfaces, we are keeping the same. I mean, for HSCS, we are keeping the same R3. The conductor has to obtain the permission and take the approval. And for interfaces, this is R4. For electrical, I'm happy. For piping and equipment, piping spool installation will be there. Fit up will be there, and welding will be there, NDT will be there. Installation of valve, let us keep it. Painting will be there, and hydro testing will be there. For hydro testing and NDT is R5. I'll keep R5 here. R5, I will keep from here, R5. And hydro test. This is the same thing. This is same thing, R5 and hydro test R6. Ensure hydro test, R5. R5 will be same, R5. This is R2, this is R3, this is R4. For installation of valve, we will keep the same. This is source of ignition. This is allowed, and for hot work can be done. Prohibited is emergency scenarios for mock drill, and this one. This will be R2 for weather management, and R3 for HSCS, R4 for this one. Painting, I think no grid blasting is allowed at site, so only painting work. So this will have a loss of, I mean, there will be thinner and paint can create fire because of the paint and thinner. We are keeping R1, and hot work is also R1 because hot work cannot be allowed when you are doing painting job. This is prohibited. This is weather management. This is HSCS management. This is R4. Hydro test, I am keeping R6. R6, you are saying that to ensure safety to personnel and equipment during high pressure hydro test as per the calculation. This is the same thing. We'll keep R6. We'll keep R6 here.